How to follow and unfollow on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to follow and unfollow on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Like you see, I have no followers or following. All I'm gonna do is click on the search icon. For example, click on this. I like her profile and her video. All I need to do is click on her profile and click on follow, or you can just from here click on following and follow, like you see. Now to unfollow this person, all you need to do is click on following and click on unfollow, which is the last option. Now if you don't remember the account you followed, all you need to do is click on your profile. Wait, now click on your profile, click on following, and you're gonna find all your following list. Now all you need to do, if you want a specific user, click on search and tap the name of his account and click on unfollow. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.